Lisa? Oh, okay, yeah. Hello. Hello. Hey, I got some news for you. Oh my gosh. Tell me why my dad hit me for sneaking out when my mom gave me permission.
He didn't know.
Ask my mom before you lay the hand on me.
He didn't know.
That was good.
She got low reception. She got low reception.
I've been spending money on some other chick. It ain't buying your baby nothing. Somebody else.
Oh God.
So don't call her. Just
Nah, yeah, y'all just out there. Y'all just hanging out.
At the mall.
Yeah.
girl, no, not guess what? What? Guess my baby daddy goes to there, buy his girlfriend Gucci shoes that came out my baby and no pampers done.
Oh no, for real.
Yes! That's girl, I'm going straight downtown child support, you feel me?
Ghetto chick.
Who's the ghetto chick?
You.
I have to do the ghetto one?
Yeah.
Let her be the
Ghetto
ghetto
chick.
one. Let her you got the ponytail.
Oh my God.
She got the ghetto friend.
Tyler Perry.
And this chick I'm government just trying to be like real ghetto with like tall ghetto. You gotta walk ghetto. You gotta walk ghetto everything. Like,
You gotta talk ghetto and everything.
you gotta be popular.
Don't talk about nobody in here.
No, not nobody in here.
What you?
Too much about this.
It's about the character. Oh, no, she's not.
Oh. Whitney's cousin.
About Boquisha. So me and her was walking right, and she got the nerve talking about something. My boyfriend's fine. You know what I did? I grabbed her by her quick weave and snatched into the stream. And she's like, her house like pee, and all her baby's hair is nappy.
Alright, let's go next.
You say all her baby.
Girl, let me tell you what happened. I had a cookout at my house. These little nappy-headed baby kids from downtown came at my house running around, pissing and all that kind of stuff everywhere. They was spitting, they was cussing. My little baby was walking around asking them what's going on, and like their mama was just sitting there like, oh, I raped them like that and all that kind of good stuff. And then I asked them to get their children, she was like, they fine and stuff. And I was like, they running around cussing in my house and stuff. I was like, I'm a Christian.
I'm a Christian.
Oh, she nailed it on the head. Oh no.
What are you doing today? You wasn't respond.
She like,
Just listen like, okay.
well, girl.
Stop squeezing my butt.
Trying to find the muscle.
That was not the muscle, that was the bottom of my butt.
So why you complaining about your job?
Cause what?
It's whack. I don't like it, and I don't like her. I don't like my manager. I don't like the people in there. I don't like the way it smells. It just smell like feet and butt and it just stink. Will you hush so I can finish my story?
We're watching a soap opera.
It's my show.
I was like, hey, you gotta talk.
Girl.
That's how you have a conversation with nobody.
Makeup age is 15. 9 and 10.
Oh, Sean, whoop down.
No. I think they need a whooping. They do, but they don't do nothing.
You be watching her kids.
Nope. They older sister do it.
She don't want them either.
No.
Oh, that's terrible.
Joe is. Alright. She's good. We can try the next names.
Don't you know where I got that from? Charlie, do you know where I got that from?
What we got? Selena. The girl that tried to sneak to the bathroom.
I was on my way home from work, and I came in the house, but I caught this boy. She know me with some girl, some ugly girl.
You done?
Yes. She looked dirty, she looked nasty.
They all the female always gotta look dirty.
Where?
In their room.
I punched him in his face too hard, girl.
Typical.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, both fine. I know you're talking about because I seen it on the corner of Newsom Park. I know you're talking about.
Alright.
Kirko. Brains. Since I got a little time, we could play. Sex fiend, I got D by the line all day. I be redecorating the walls in your hall.